Esteemed partners, colleagues, friends, we all know that there's no way that we can deliver on the Paris Agreement without utilizing the full potential of forests. And we can celebrate the fact that deforestation has slowed down over the last decade, thanks to the work of indigenous people, local communities, countries, and the CPF members here today. However, it's still estimated at a catastrophic 10 million hectares per year, and this has to change. We saw great traction at COP26 with the Glasgow Leaders Declaration on Forest and Land Use, and of course, UNEP is supportive of the declaration, while at the same time, we are mindful that these are some of the same objectives that were already identified on SDG target 15.2 by 2020. So in 2022, we need to see these commitments translated into credible action and transformative change. And we need to see this now to avoid runaway climate change and to curb the worst effects for people and disasters that are already reinforced by war and the pandemic. We need new approaches to scale up impact. And we can draw on lessons that we already have from other sectors. For example, the great effects that prices and predictable demand have had on decarbonization in the energy sector. For forests, our focus should be on fair forest carbon price that reflects the real costs of conservation and restoration, coupled with predictable demand for forest emission reductions. And to this end, UNEP is supporting the work of the Integrity Council for Voluntary Carbon Markets. Funds for result-based payments must be available in enough volume to reward countries that reduce deforestation. A complementary avenue would be to leverage high integrity corporate investments into nature through carbon markets beyond the value chain mitigation. Colleagues, if we succeed, the gains will be enormous. The latest IPCC report shows that halting and reversing deforestation can reduce emissions by more than 6 gigatons by 2030. That's half of what we need to stay within 2 degrees. We know what to do. We have a strong foundation to build on. Through tried and tested vehicles, such as UN REDD and the CPF, we look forward to continued work with you and to support countries and stakeholders to unlock the full potential of forests. Thank you.